For many homeowners in Redmond, double-hung windows are a popular choice, and for good reason. They combine timeless style with functionality, allowing both the top and bottom sashes to open for ventilation and easy cleaning. However, even the most durable windows have a lifespan. Over time, wear and environmental factors can reduce their performance, impacting your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. If your windows are showing their age, it may be time for an upgrade. Here are the top signs that it's time to replace your double-hung windows and why doing so can make a major difference for your Redmond home. Drafts or uneven temperatures indoors. Do you notice chilly drafts near your windows during Redmond's cooler months or warm air leaking in during summer? That's a clear sign your double-hung windows may no longer be properly sealed. Over time, the weather stripping and seals around older windows can deteriorate, creating small gaps that let air in and out. This not only affects comfort but also makes your HVAC system work harder to maintain indoor temperatures, increasing your energy bills. Modern replacement windows feature tight seals, insulated frames, and energy-efficient glass that eliminate drafts and keep your home consistently comfortable year-round. Condensation or fogging between the panes. If you see moisture or fog forming between the panes of glass, your window's insulated glass unit, IGU, seal has failed. Once that seal breaks, the insulating gas, typically argon or krypton, escapes, and humidity can enter, causing condensation that's impossible to wipe away. This not only makes your windows look cloudy but also reduces their insulation performance. In Redmond's damp climate, trapped moisture can lead to mold, mildew, and even frame deterioration. New double-hung windows are designed with advanced glass technology and long-lasting seals, ensuring clear views, excellent insulation, and improved indoor air quality. Difficulty opening or closing the windows. Double-hung windows are known for their smooth, balanced operation, but if yours stick, jam, or refuse to stay open, it's time for a closer look. Common causes include warped or swollen frames due to Redmond's moisture-heavy environment, broken balances or sash cords, which prevent smooth movement, paint buildup or misalignment from years of wear. Struggling with your windows isn't just inconvenient, it can also pose safety risks during emergencies. New double-hung windows operate effortlessly and come with tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning, making maintenance simple and stress-free. Rising energy bills. Older, inefficient windows are one of the biggest culprits behind high energy costs. If you've noticed a steady increase in your utility bills despite maintaining your HVAC system, your windows could be to blame. Energy-efficient replacement windows use low-E coatings, multi-pane glass, and insulated frames to reduce heat transfer and improve your home's energy performance. These upgrades help you save money while keeping your home more eco-friendly, an important consideration for many Redmond homeowners. Visible damage or decay. Take a close look at your window frames and sashes. Are there signs of rotting wood, chipped paint, or soft spots? These are early indicators of water infiltration and structural weakening. In Redmond's rainy climate, water damage can spread quickly, affecting not just your windows but also nearby walls and trim. Replacing compromised windows promptly helps prevent costly repairs and preserves your home's integrity. Excessive noise from outside. If outside noises, like traffic, neighbors, or barking dogs, seem louder than before, your windows may no longer be sealing properly. Modern double-hung replacement windows offer superior soundproofing thanks to insulated glass and tighter construction. This means you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home environment, even in busy parts of Redmond. Why replacement is worth it. Replacing your old double-hung windows is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. New windows improve curb appeal, boost property value, and reduce maintenance needs. They also help regulate indoor temperatures, lower energy bills, and enhance security. When installed by local Redmond professionals who understand the area's weather patterns, your new double-hung windows will deliver lasting performance and style for years to come. Final thoughts: if your current windows show signs of wear, drafts, or inefficiency, don't wait until small problems turn into costly repairs. Replacing your double-hung windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's comfort, safety, and appearance. For Redmond homeowners, the right windows, installed by trusted local experts, can transform your living space and protect your home from the Pacific Northwest ever-changing climate.